I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. The names in there, he plenty. And this be celebrity what? Yawa. What be the Yawa? The Yawa where you come no, bro. Me catch rewa. Ebe onwa. Esambe de. Esambe ostre. The Yawa where you come be say, them band born celebrities where them dey Ghana here. You know, so celebrities where them dey Ghana here no. Omo susanso e abrabum. Say no more kasa, say no more dressing, the way they act, the way they do their things, the way they behave their things, you know. So of them be celebrities, you know, we they look up to what? Up to them. What you can be say, Ghana Commission of Gaming, you know, them ban all celebrities. Them ban them all for what? The ambassadorial deals with them get plus betting companies, you know. They ban the Obia. The likes of Shatawale, the likes of Jackie Apia, DKB, all the celebrity where you know, no. The celebrity where you do, I follow them. I will name no. They ban your money now. What be the reason why they ban them? The reason why they ban them is say the children when they come, no young kids when they come, no. Obi wa na ma miska da open no first no. No there they or share gambling mu the things. Wako twa bet ni sa nyama no. Ama trust no ma study sa nyama ni say e be say oman mpuntu e be ma nkrofo mba bebre adane de akrofo. So right now no they make one where they talk say make no celebrity do what. Recently I know say they can't do another one. That one might be alcoholism. There's a celebrity in India and then emfa and sad vetibia and TV so momo and endorse all those things. In tema sad vetini na Ghana no head come other neighboring countries no more and stuff like Nigeria and Kono. That be what it happen. When plenty people to put their mouth what inside, they talk about this matter, then talk their mind and say, hey, young celebrities see cry where them they Ghana here no. They not get money. This be the deals where you do then they chop small for top. You do more cry now, more no you do maybe I anti or munya sa nyama we are to be show me busia or to be chair or papa no many munda for no than things. But right now where they talk say them ban them no. What they go do flat them lives? Because celebrity no the industry na kasakran you know good. Such like the music industry, you know, movie industry, you know, nina make beans, you know, good. So right now where them ban them, no, that be what it happen. Where some about to talk that thing. Where some mommy be to counter say, I know they are the pan because they be obe feed your mama be out in the sika to one, or be an in the sika no swat it. On the body do you need this on your cromfo, you say won't be never far. But lastly, not be sure the banner where you know who say, or Betty, we sent a beer or Betty's car, and see what Betty almost 100 cities. That's what the woman in the talk. I say, hey, no, Nimsa the banner sanya man. So all these things now, I buy a jail to say, you ban the celebrities in na or more advert with TV so or no mamma, and the pie, the beer, you go making kiddie no I would get. Well, some broker talk say, I be betting there if you want our own money. You know, be people where your money where they take bets. So they write 18 years to for the what? For the place where they do it in the bet, you know. So you know chop 18 years, you know if you go there then go what? Go bet or something. Until the age in there, it be what from 18 years to go because Obia ni sika, Obia for kwambia so penny sika you know. Or more almost my band celebrity in there. Or moon just akasa cry way then they do what? Then they talk, you know, and there where plenty people they shred my mind for the what? Ghana Commission game, you know, then they talk their mama show them say this is not something where they yeah. Then for develop the country and things. And also this be the something where another system to come talk say, you know the work, you know they do anything, all be say they house in boyfriend, show him where they go, you go do the betting and things. Dream boyfriend no every day bia na match bi ana league bi ba koso bia no o twa bet o timi do be 200 cities 300 cities e boa no na the boyfriend no hu style Shatawale ni when the shey bet planet no advert no mo no that what he see when he get interest he say no the boyfriend do mu disca back to back so plenty people they talk say they what they beat them plenty people to they talk say you know they help them that be what the system know what can be. So if you hear say any celebrity bia they do what they do advert give betting company and things bia now that celebrity need there bia what they go catch am. So if you spread the news to all over the world and things. I know say them to them hear them, then to them go home, mum, or come there about your but I'm then I buy na share. When them talk say advert beyond so beyond so no, I'm don't go spy the advert inside. I'm no as some approval before it to be what telecast to people where them there outside the country and to people where them to them they spy the TV and things. You too, you go feel send your comment there, everything be for the what for the comment box inside. It be very what important. You do it will help you that thing. You go feel follow us for all social media platforms. Social media platform be Twitter, Facebook, social media platform be you go feel follow us for top. Young Kudi can subscribe. Go find and subscribe more. The power to me go find subscribe more. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Bow.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaiah Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come oni hwe Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mu ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.